Bachelorette number 2. If you're to bring me home for dinner, what would be the favorite treat you'd serve me?
Well, I'd start off with a little watermelon for an entree.
I was hoping that. And then what will we end up with?
Oh, probably a little cornbread, black-eyed peas.
I was hoping that. And then would you have some ribs? I like the barbecue sauce ribs.
I was thinking chitlins, but with
What
ribs
chitlins
would
to
be
do? I
fine.
mean, if you can find a pig, but I'm quite sure you can find a pig.
All right, thanks a lot, AJ.